Hi everyone! In this video I'll show you how you can make this friendship box. I'll start with lasering the text in the hearts. With the laser you can also score the outline of the heart. I must say I own this laser for a while now and man, I still absolutely love it. Now that we have the outline, we can cut it out on the scroll saw or bandsaw. Never cut on the line, always sand onto the line. The tiny belt comes in handy in these small places. Round over the edges with the belt. Some hand sanding. Now we can start with making the box. As you can see, I'm using big panels, cutting it up into smaller pieces. Oh, and sorry for not being online for a few months, but sometimes life gets into the way and now I'll be back. I have a few videos in petto for you guys.
Watching the sun drop is better with you. It's better with
Before I'll cut it into smaller pieces, I'll sand it smooth.
it's better with you.
Now let's cut some miters. These small clamps come in really handy. Yay, that's a good fit, I think. And of course, still some sanding. Now it's time to cut a groove for the bottom and the top lid. Make small adjustments until it fits. To open the lid, we'll cut away a top piece of one side of the box. We'll keep this. Cut the bottom into the correct shape. Now we can glue it all together. For gluing up miters, this is also a very handy clamp. Sand the box smooth and knock down the corners with some sandpaper. Now that the box is glued together, we can cut the top into the correct shape. Let's laser a nice message on top of the lid. Now we can glue on this small piece that we've cut off earlier. Knock down the sharp edges of the lid. And let's laser the nice message on the side of the box. Then we're ready for finishing with Rubio Monocoat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in one of my new videos or in one of my old videos. Bye!